Investing can be confusing and daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of knowledge and the right approach, anyone can get started. The first step is research. You need to learn the vocabulary of investing: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, dividends, things like that. Understand how the market works and the different strategies that are available that investors use. Now, once you have a basic understanding, you need to choose a brokerage firm, somewhere where you can buy stocks: Robinhood, Webull, TD Ameritrade, just to name a few. Now, once your account is set up, you want to start by investing small amounts of money into different stocks or funds, 2 or 3 at most to start. This will help you learn how the market works and find out what the strategy is best for you. And remember, investing is a long-term game, so don't get caught up in the short-term fluctuation, and always keep the goals that you have set in mind as markers. Like and subscribe for more information like this. Hoodie hustling.